Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify embeddings data integrity with vector search in Pinecone, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your Pinecone account and navigating to the dashboard. Ensure you have an active project set up to work with. Import the necessary libraries for your project. This typically includes Pinecone, along with any other relevant libraries such as NumPy or Pandas. Initialize the Pinecone client using your API key to connect with your project. Create a new index for managing your embeddings data. Specify the dimensions of the embeddings to match your data's requirements. Once the index is created, load your embeddings data into the specified index. This can be done through the Pinecone client by using the appropriate method to upsert data. After successfully uploading your data, it's important to verify its integrity. To do this, generate a set of sample queries that represent what you might search for in your embeddings. Use a few representative embedding vectors to perform vector searches. Query your index with these embedding vectors to retrieve the most similar vectors stored. Examine the results returned by the vector search closely. Look for expected patterns and relationships that exist within your original data. Compare the retrieved results with your initial dataset to ensure consistency. Analyze the distances or similarity scores to validate whether they align with your expectations. If discrepancies appear, double-check the embedding process to ensure correct data representation. Make any necessary adjustments to your embeddings and re-upload them if needed. Once the integrity is validated, document your findings for future reference. This will be useful for maintaining a clear understanding of your embeddings data. Regularly perform these integrity checks as part of your data management routine. This proactive approach helps to ensure the ongoing reliability of your embeddings in your applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.